UX design is no longer what it used to be. We're not drawing screens anymore. We're not pushing components around. We describe products in prompts, and AI builds the interface for us. But here's the real question. Is this just UI automation, or is it actual UX thinking? On this channel, I've already tested tools like Figma Make and Google Stitch. Today, we're adding a new one, UX Pilot. Same prompt, same rules, no manual intervention. UX Pilot versus Figma Make. The prompt. We're designing a health tracking app for people with very little time. The focus is on habits, motivation, low cognitive load. Let's start with UX Pilot. UX Pilot doesn't position itself as a UI generator, but as an end-to-end UX design assistant. I create a new project, select mobile, and paste in the exact same prompt. One key difference compared to many other tools, UX Pilot thinks in flows, not just in individual screens. I can choose whether I want wireframes or high-fidelity designs, and whether a complete user flow should be generated. I enable autoflow and let UX Pilot decide which screens actually make sense for this product. And here are the results. The first thing you notice, UX Pilot doesn't try to impress, it tries to structure. We see a clear onboarding flow, a dashboard focused on today's status, progress overviews, thoughtfully designed empty states. This feels less like a design showcase and more like product logic. And that's the first real signal of UX thinking. I can use prompts to define what should improve across the entire product: tone, hierarchy, details. UX Pilot then updates the complete user flow consistently. This is not pixel tweaking. This is UX iteration at a system level. And yes, UX Pilot lets you copy everything directly to Figma. No screenshots, actual frames, with auto layout and a clean structure. That makes UX Pilot usable for real design teams and real product work. Now let's switch to Figma Make. Same prompt, same rules. The generation takes a bit longer, but the result immediately feels different. Figma Make thinks less in UX structure and more in interaction. The UI feels more alive. Transitions are instantly tangible. It almost feels like a real app. Figma Make is extremely strong when it comes to prototyping, visual hierarchy, interaction logic. UX structure here emerges more implicitly, not consciously derived, but shaped through the interface itself. That's not a flaw, it's a design decision. And that's the core difference. UX Pilot thinks like a UX designer. Figma Make thinks like an interaction designer. UX Pilot focuses on logic, flow, structure, UX decisions. Figma Make focuses on experience, prototypes, visual dynamics. Both are powerful, but for different phases. Will AI replace UX designers? No, but it will radically change how we work. The best designers won't be replaced, they'll be accelerated. If you ignore AI, you'll fall behind. If you understand it, you'll lead. In the next video, I'll test how far AI really gets, without any human UX decisions. If that sounds interesting, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tool I should test next. Ship it! See you in the next video.